Hello student. Now we have already learned about poem number 2, Nature. Now take out your EduMax workbook, page number 7. Question number 2. Read the word aloud and write. Number 1. Nature. N-A-T-U-R-E. Nature. Then might. M-I-G-H-T. Might. Then we have strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Next beauty. B-E-A-U-T-Y. Beauty. Then moody. M-O-O-D-Y. Moody. Then we have smart. S-M-A-R-T. Smart. Then blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Then green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Then true. T-R-U-E. True. Then ever. E-V-E-R. Ever. Then free. F-R-E-E. Free. Then forever. F-O-R-E-V-E-R. Forever. Now take your page number 8. Question number 3. Missing letters. Number 1. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Number 2. Beauty. B-E-A-U-T-Y. Beauty. Number 3. Moody. M-O-O-D-Y. Moody. Number 4. Nature. N-A-T-U-R-E. Nature. Then question number 3. Look at the picture and tick the correct answer. Now everybody look at the picture. Now tell me what you can see in the picture. Yes, we can see rainbow, clouds, sun, birds, trees, flowers, butterfly, water. Number 1. There is dash in the sky. Come on children, tell me what you see in the sky. Aeroplane or rainbow? Yes, we see rainbow. So put tick mark on rainbow. Now page number 9. Number 2. There are dash birds in the sky. How many birds are there in the sky? 2 or 4? Yes, there are 2 birds. So put tick mark on 2. Then number 3. The sun is dash in color. What is the color of sun? Yes, it is yellow color. So put tick mark on yellow. Then question number 4. Write about the following things. Now children, we have to write about these pictures. Now first picture is what? Tree. Yes, we will write about tree. This is a tree. It is very big. Its leaves are green in color. Yes. Second picture is sunflower. This is a flower. It has beautiful yellow color. Then third picture, bird. This is a bird. It is flying in the sky. Then fourth picture, this is a rainbow. We see rainbow in rainy season. Thank you.